Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today, we're comparing the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher, known for its high capacity and quiet operation, against the compact and portable Midea MDC22P1ABB. We'll dive into their features, including wash programs, energy efficiency, and design, to help you find the perfect dishwasher for your home. Let's get started. The BLACK+DECKER BDW500MHS boasts an impressive capacity of 14 place settings, making it ideal for large families or gatherings. In contrast, the Midea MDC22P1ABB is designed for smaller spaces, accommodating only 6 place settings. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your dishwashing experience, especially during busy mealtimes. When it comes to noise levels, the BLACK+DECKER dishwasher operates at a whisper-quiet 45 decibels, making it perfect for open-concept living spaces. On the other hand, the Midea model operates at 52 decibels, which is noticeably louder. If peace and quiet are a priority for you, the BLACK+DECKER may be the better choice. Price is always a crucial factor in decision-making. The BLACK+DECKER BDW500MHS comes with a premium price tag of $999, reflecting its advanced features and high capacity. In contrast, the Midea MDC22P1ABB is budget-friendly at just $329, making it an attractive option for those with limited budgets or smaller living spaces. However, it's essential to weigh the cost against the features and capacity you need. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and Midea dishwashers offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The BLACK+DECKER is perfect for larger households looking for a quiet, high-capacity solution, while the Midea is ideal for those in smaller spaces or on a budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.